Moving on to the next one of today's video, it is also a really easy and beautiful drawing which can be easily made by kids, and it is a really good one by which kids can learn with. We will first start by drawing the school dress, and it is completed. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we will again learn how to make a hand who is trying to make a figure with his fingers. It is a really beautiful hand with some textures on it. Moving on to the next one of today's video, as you can see, we are making an eye on which a reflection of star is there in the eye and a dot. We'll continue the steps as followed, and the eyes has big eyelashes, and then we'll make the eyebrows for the beautiful eye. Moving on to the next one of today's video, which is again a hand. We will draw the fingers and the palm of the hand, and then we will place a rose in the hand which she is holding.